You get the notification, sure. Vanilla. No. Yeah.
Just get some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out in the streets, they call it murder. Welcome to Jam Rock. Jam put it on them, jam butt. What a guan, what a guan, what a guan. Me de a me yard. Me de a me yard. National, what a guan. Laurel, what's going on in? Oh, a ticket here there.
Reach.
What's up, road trip? Road, mister, road. Road, mister. Driver, don't stop at all.
Driver,
don't stop at all.
Big up, big up, big up.
I want to go up on the hill there. Yeah. What's going on in yard, mister? Raise up your flag, them flag. Yes. This is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is Jamaica, my Jamaica. The land of my birth. What y'all up to? Happy Thursday, kings and queens. Yes, we are on the road in my beautiful, beautiful country. The place that I love so much. Yes, just disappear by y'all. So we're on a little road vibes, you know. Yes, a little road trip. Yes, man. Welcome to Jam Rock, Charmaine. Welcome to Jam Rock. One Jamaica can never be two. Yes, always festive, always warm, always nice and sweet me. Yes, man, sweet me, sweet me. They're on the road with me on husband, Vanilla, or husband. I'm like a granddaughter. They don't want them on camera though, they don't want me. Yes, they say me too enough. Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? Say hello, man. Just say hello. No, I'm not on the camera, man. Just say hello.
Hola.
Hola. You know, they are Spanish country. They are yard. You understand? Babylon them. Babylon. See Babylon them. In pointy half with the blow. Slow down. Yes. Yeah, man, I'm in Jamaica. We're going to be here for a little while, you know. We're coming for actually a wedding. Yeah, that's happening next weekend. So, we have to do some road runnings in the meantime. You understand? Big up on yourself, Sonia Forrest. Big up yourself, Marsha Lee Brown. Yes. Hopefully, the internet, all the data, we're up in Iowa Hills. Hopefully not freeze up. Yes. Andrea Murray, what's going on? What's going on? We're good. We're good. We're on the road, you know. What me can say, we don't know one can go on a river so we can build up one little wood fire and fry some fish and, you know, cook some curry chicken back and dumpling. You know what I mean? At them vibes that I want. But them people here when me there with them just so bullshit, boy, me I tell you. They just so, they want to stop and go to a restaurant and then things. And then things that me want to do, you understand? And then I want to do the real country, downright Jamaica movement things. You know what I mean? Remember, when we mention they're like river, Vanilla River, you mean Dunn's River? No, I mean river with some big stone in there. Vanilla, the backside.
We're going to send you some warmth, Andrea.
Yes,
we're going to send you some warm weather.
Yeah. We're beautiful people. We're not good though. We're just coming for check by you guys.
Dimes, pick up yourself.
Dimes million! 1 in a million dimes for a lifetime. Love shows compassion and send to me a stroke of luck. Call you a 1 in a million. You see me serenade your dimes. Chatbot. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, queen. Thank you. Yes, man. Bless upon yourself, you know.
Big up, big up, big up.
Yeah, big up on yourself. Oh, don't laugh. Should be a serenade dimes. Yeah, it sang perfect. A 1 in a million dimes. A 1 in a million. Chance for a lifetime. And then I care just look for me things on my mind. Big up for yourself. Big up.
Put this forward by YouTube. One of the cartoons.
Oh, put our tablet back.
No, it not work.
Oh, it not work. Oh. Okay. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Yeah. And remember if you grab on the tickets to Auntie birthday. Grab on the tickets, please.